First, my service is not massive but personal and confidentially served between server and client. Over the last years, I dedicated myself to improve the service procedures to satisfy my customers. Finally, I want to tell you about one experience that I had. I was working in a damaged computer a few months ago. Its owner required immediate support due to the nature of her job. I had no open windows to receive the computer in business hours, but that situation made me think that it was the time to start a 24/7 service. And you know what? I did it. Many potential customers required this option because they simply can't leave their jobs to come to my workshop at business hours. But since I receive their patients at any time, some feel more comfortable because they don't have to tell someone to bring us anything.